Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create Azure SQL database. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal, and this video will create a single database on Azure SQL database. You can create it using a PowerShell script or Azure CLI script, and then you can query the database using Query Editor in the Azure portal. If you do not have an Azure subscription, please go ahead and buy one. If you do not want to buy one, you can also create a free account, and after that we can create the SQL database. So if you would click on create database, you click on databases, you go and click on SQL database, and pay as you go, create a new resource group. Test Azure SQL DB RSG. You can create whatever you want. I'm gonna create this name, Test Azure SQL DB. I do not have a logical server on which I will create this, host this database. So I will create a new server, logical server on which this would be hosted. You can enter any name, like I will do Test Azure SQL server. You can enter the admin login. I'm entering Test Azure admin password. You can keep it your wish. Right. Location, I'm going to select East US. Do we want to have a SQL Elastic pool at this point of time? I'm going to go with no. And under compute and storage, I'm going to select configure database. And you can go for the general purpose, or you can go with serverless. I'm going to, for now, let's go with serverless here. I'm going to click on apply. You're going to click on networking. It says the connectivity method. You can select public endpoint for now so that I can access it over the internet. I'm not going to change these options. I'm not adding anything as of now. I'm going to go with additional settings, and I'm going to use existing data. I'm going to go with none, and I'm going to go with sample. Right, so I'm going to go with the sample database here. So this AdventureWorks LT will be created as a sample database so that I can have the dummy database to play with, and we can use it for experiment. If you want to click on review and create, and it says Azure Defender for SQL will automatically create a new storage account for saving vulnerability assessments. If a storage account was previously created for this purpose, it will be installed. I'm going to go with not now. You can do it later as well. If you create, this is the storage cost plus compute cost. If you want to go for pricing details, you can click here and it will show you the details. How is this cost being calculated? Click on create. Initializing the deployment. Submitting the deployment. I'm going to pause the video and come back. Okay, the deployment is complete. I'm going to go to resource. That is how you create a SQL database. This is the resource group. The status is online. The location is East US. My subscription is pay as you go. This is my subscription ID. This is the server name on which database is hosted. If you want to see the connection strings, you can click on here. And this is the connection string that you can give to a developer who is trying to query this database using any of these mentioned languages. And these are the your compute utilization, your CPU build, and your Azure Defender for SQL trial, because we have not done it. And these are the database features that are available for you to enable, right? And if you would check the properties of the database, same thing that you see on the overview tab, you would see here. And if you want to deploy it using PowerShell, you can export the template, and then you can download the template by clicking on to this option. You can see that this is being saved, and then you can make changes and deploy the database. Right, I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.